He looks at me very scared. I explained him the conditions of the test. He said no word. He gets obviously a lot of fear. Although now was all done. After we arrived at the restaurant, the waiter showed our reserved table. You maybe think now that they know me in my favorite restaurant. They didn't. Although I eat very often there, no employer knows me. I visit the place always undercover. As an old man, I visit it a few times, but always with another beard, hair color, hat, and so on. I ordered apple juice with water and a pizza margherita. My student wants a pizza with 4 kinds of cheese and a Coke. I changed the order in pizza salami, and he gets also an apple juice with water. The waiter looked a little bit confused, but that doesn't matter. He wouldn't remember me at the next time. The little one looked a little bit unbelievable after I changed his order, but he didn't say a word. In the moment we were alone, I explained that I have to be careful. Fat foods turn us too lazy and make us slow. Too sweet are bad for the teeth. We shouldn't visit very often a doctor or a dentist, and have to minimize the medical visits. We can't be suspicious in any kind. There didn't have too much information about us. No x-rays, no dental images, or also blood samples may stored in the medical system. For that reason we visit always different doctors and erase all data from the computer system of the hospital after we get cured. It should be known about us as less as possible. We have to be fit and healthy. He understands without more exploration. He never ordered again fat or sweet food. Years later he optimized our food plan and makes us more powerful, healthy and faster than before. He eliminates all long-chained carbohydrates from our food plan. Since a long time ago, sugar was forbidden. Now also all kinds of baking things, potatoes and noodles. Only fruits, vegetables, fish and meat were allowed. We could eat as much as we want, fruits and vegetables. That drops our insulin level and forces our muscles to burn only fat. To our surprise, that makes us very powerful. During the meal, I test him a little bit. I talk with him coded about the work. I used many words from cleaning companies. I would like to see, is that a way he can communicate, or will he say something wrong? If he says something wrong, I had have killed him a few hours ago. Now I would be angry and beat him with words. But that wasn't necessary. He was excellent in coded talking. Only if the waiter was close, he stopped to talk and asked me something irrelevant, useless and different. Mostly about the food or the weather. I was very impressed about him, but I didn't show it. I informed my little one at first about the regular missions. Our clients are junkies, dealer, debt collectors, whores and addicted people, but also millionaires, politicians, businessmen and cheating husbands and wives. All be linked with something who have to be cleaned or dumped. The most dirt we erase with high pressure equipment. My student asked me how we dump the garbage. Garbage we will waste it in right areas of the public. Many could be wasted with my private trash dumping equipment. I have for that a license and the right filter and equipment. That of course is a lie. Do you teach me soon the handling of the equipment? No. Now that is too soon. You have to do at first more cleaning missions, until your smell died enough, before you learn to handle the cleaning stuff. I have to educate you at first, and teach you the handling with the equipment. What are the next things you will teach me in the future? At first you have to get used to work 10 hours per day, basic cleaning techniques and the secure handling of the cleaning equipment. Your theoretical education is also important. You have to read a few books, and to practice the next 4 months will be very hard for you. The talk was longer, but that was the important themes. The rest are not new.